Listen, if you've been feeling like something's missing from your mornings, and you know exactly what I'm talking about here, what I'm about to share could change everything starting tomorrow. You're already drinking coffee every morning anyway, so why not make it work for you instead of just waking you up for a few hours? What if I told you that adding a few simple kitchen ingredients could improve blood flow, boost energy levels, and yes, bring back those reliable morning situations that used to happen without even thinking about it? Before you dismiss this as alternative medicine nonsense, understand that everything I'm sharing comes from peer-reviewed studies and real results from men in my practice who've been using these methods successfully for years. Here's the truth about plain coffee. It gives you that spike and crash cycle, a temporary boost followed by reaching for cup number 2 by mid-morning. While caffeine does boost circulation temporarily, it's not addressing what's really declining after age 50, but with the right additions. You transform your morning routine into something that genuinely supports your performance all day long. After 50, your testosterone is dropping, your blood vessels are becoming less flexible, and that quick caffeine hit is like putting a Band-Aid on a broken pipe. Think of it this way. You wouldn't put regular gas in a Ferrari, and after 50, your body needs premium fuel, not just the basic stuff that got you through your 30s and 40s. The beautiful thing is, you can upgrade your coffee with ingredients you probably already have, or can grab for a few bucks at any grocery store. First up, unsweetened cocoa powder, not the sugary hot chocolate mix, but real dark cocoa that's almost black, just 1 teaspoon stirred into your coffee. Cocoa is loaded with flavonoids that boost nitric oxide production, which is basically the master switch for erections and the signal that tells your blood vessels to open wide and let blood flow in. When you're young, your body pumps out plenty of nitric oxide, but after 50 production drops by about half, and the more you produce, the easier and firmer your erections become. One study from the Journal of Hypertension showed men consuming cocoa daily had blood flow improvements comparable to some medications, but without the side effects. We're talking 30% improvement in how well your arteries open up. If you found this information valuable and want more no-nonsense health strategies that actually work, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you never miss life-changing content like this, because what's coming next could be even more powerful for your health and performance. Cocoa also contains compounds called anandamides, the same chemicals your body produces when you're in love, literally making you feel good, while phenethylamine acts as a natural mood elevator. You're not just supporting physical performance, you're getting your head in the game too. And let's be honest, half of performance is mental. Cocoa is also loaded with magnesium, which is crucial for testosterone production and muscle function, and most men are deficient in this essential mineral. Second ingredient, Maca powder. This Peruvian root has been used for thousands of years, and they call it natural Viagra down there. But it works completely differently by helping your body produce more of its own hormones naturally. Maca grows at 14,000 feet in the Andes Mountains, in conditions where almost nothing else survives, making it incredibly resilient and packed with nutrients, including 19 amino acids and unique compounds you won't find anywhere else. Research from 2009 showed men taking about a teaspoon daily for 12 weeks reported significant improvements in desire and performance, while another study found it improved sperm production and motility. What makes Maca special is it's an adaptogen that works on your hypothalamus and pituitary gland, the master controllers of your hormone system, helping your body make more of its own hormones rather than adding external ones. A teaspoon in your coffee gives it a slightly nutty, almost butterscotch flavor, and most men notice a difference in energy and desire within 2 to 3 weeks. Third, Ceylon cinnamon. Not the regular cassia cinnamon from the grocery store, but the high-quality version with lower coumarin levels, just a 1/4 teaspoon in your coffee. Cinnamon is nature's blood sugar regulator, with studies showing it can reduce fasting blood sugar by up to 29%, and blood sugar control is huge for erections. When your blood sugar spikes and crashes all day, it's slowly destroying those tiny blood vessels that feed your penis, vessels smaller than a human hair that are the first to go when blood sugar gets out of control. Cinnamon contains polyphenols that keep your levels steady, which means better blood flow where it counts. Plus, it has a warming effect that relaxes blood vessels through vasodilation. The compound cinnamaldehyde actually helps your body produce nitric oxide, the same molecule that Viagra works on, giving you more balanced energy throughout the day with no jitters and no crash. Fourth, coconut oil. When you blend a teaspoon into your hot coffee, it creates this creamy, rich drink that keeps you full and energized for hours with no mid-morning crash. Testosterone is made from cholesterol and fats, good fats, not trans fat garbage, and your body needs raw materials to make hormones. Coconut oil provides medium-chain triglycerides or MCTs that go straight to your liver where they're converted to energy. It's like premium fuel your body can use immediately. Studies show MCTs can increase testosterone levels, with one study finding men consuming MCTs had 20% higher testosterone than those consuming other fats. The fat slows down caffeine absorption, so instead of a spike and crash, you get steady release over hours, and over time, supporting healthy fat intake supports healthy testosterone levels. Fifth, fresh ginger or ginger powder. This stuff is like rocket fuel for your circulation, containing compounds called gingerols and shogols that are powerful anti-inflammatories. Studies show ginger can actually increase testosterone levels by protecting your testicles from oxidative stress, with one study showing a 17.7% increase in testosterone after 3 months of daily supplementation. Here's exactly what I want you to do starting tomorrow. Pick one ingredient from today's list and add it to your coffee every single morning for a full week, making it non-negotiable like brushing your teeth. Track your energy and morning firmness on a simple 1 to 10 scale daily and write it down, because most men see noticeable patterns by week 3. Don't expect miracles overnight. If you've got serious medical issues, see your doctor. This is about optimization, not medication, and don't use sugary versions that defeat the whole purpose. Give your body at least a month before deciding if something's working, because it's been running one way for decades and needs time to adjust to new inputs. The total cost for all these ingredients is maybe $15, but the potential upside is feeling like yourself again and reclaiming what you thought was gone forever. These aren't exotic ingredients. You can get them at any grocery store, they're not expensive, they don't taste bad, and they're backed by both science and thousands of years of traditional use proving their effectiveness. Your morning coffee can be more than just a wake-up call. It can be a daily dose of natural support for everything that matters to you as a man, and small changes lead to big results.